Now I'm going to show you some of the automation tools that we have to submit your content. Go to Tools and select Tools List. Here's your automation tools. We have a WordPress plugin that allows you to automatically submit your WordPress posts to the networks you support. Just click here and it'll take you to the OnlyWire WordPress plugins page. When you're downloading the plugin, just make sure it's the official OnlyWire WordPress plugin. This will allow you to submit content directly from your blog to the networks we support. To show you an example, here's our blog. You can see the most recent posts that we've made. You can also see this on our Facebook page, Twitter, Identica, and so on. So going back to our tools list, we also have a developer API. So if you understand how to use code, you can integrate this into your existing CMS and submit your content from there. We also have an RSS feeds page. So if you have an RSS feed for your website or blog, you can enter this on our feeds page. Our feeds page will automatically search for any new content once every hour, and it will automatically submit that content to the networks you set up with OnlyWire. Here's an example. Here's our blog feed URL here. Here are the tags that we've added to this feed. You can see we've selected Twitter for this feed to submit to. Then just click on Save, and your content will be submitted automatically. Going back to our tools list, those are the automation tools that we have. We've covered the submission tools that we have, Scheduler and Submission Brander. Now on to our reporting tools. We have Analytics, so if you have a Google Analytics account, you can integrate this into the OnlyWire platform to measure your submission performance and your traffic generation. As we go through the demo, I'll show you where you can input your name and password for your Google Analytics. We also have a history page. This will display all your posted content in chronological order for the past 60 days. So if you want to check the status of your post, you'll click on the title of your post to display the details. Under the status of your post, you'll see that these are completed. If you'd like to see which submissions bounced, for example, if you have an incorrect login or password for that network, or maybe you haven't fully confirmed your account registration for a network, this will show up under your bounced submissions. Click on the title of the post to display the details, and under status, you'll see the reason why this bounced. Once you've made the corrections, just come back to this and click Resend, and your content will be resubmitted. You can also filter your history by future scheduled posts, today, yesterday, the past week, and the past month. If you're an enterprise user, you can filter this by your sub-users as well. If you want to search for any of your titles, you can type that into the search box. If you're submitting content on behalf of any clients, and you'd like to be able to report what you've submitted for them, this icon on the top right is your Download History icon. Click on that to download your history into an Excel spreadsheet. Now I want to show you some of the account settings that we have. Under Accounts, this is the profile page. This is where you would enter your Google Analytics information. You would enter your account number here, your username, and your password. And also, if anything has changed, maybe your email address, you can make those changes here from the profile page as well. This is the usage page. This will show you the amount of submissions that you've made so far this month. If you're close to the end of your plan and you want to upgrade your plan, you can click on the Switch Rate Plan button, and this will give you the option to upgrade. You can also see the number of submissions you've made per day for up to the past 60 days. So if you want to get an average of how much content you've submitted per day, you can come here and do so by using the chart. This is the Users page. If you're an enterprise user, this is what your Users page will look like. As you can see, this is my admin account here, and these are the sub-user accounts that we've created. So if you're an SEO professional and you manage multiple clients or brands, you would create a sub-user for each client or brand that you have. It's really simple to switch between your sub-users. As you can see, I'm under the Enterprise account right now. If I want to switch to my OnlyWire team account, I just click on the Switch User icon. You'll see a pop-up that tells you that you're on the OnlyWire team account. Just click OK. Now you'll notice that the sub-username appears at the top left in the welcome greeting. If you want to add a new user to your account, maybe you just got a new client or account and you want to add them to your OnlyWire platform, you'll click on Add New User, Enter the first and last name, email address, company name. If they have their own Google Analytics account, you can enter that here as well. And you would enter or create their own username and password. This username and password will only give them access to that sub-user account, but you as the admin have access to all the sub-user accounts on your OnlyWire platform. So once you fill out all this information, just click Add User, and you'll have a new user. This Change Plan button is just another way that you can upgrade your account. This is our billing page. We've recently added PayPal as a method of payment. If you want to make any changes to your billing info, click on Edit Billing Info to change your credit card information. Also from the billing page, you'll see your payment history for the past 12 months. Now I want to show you our support page. If you get stuck, you can come here to watch our quick start videos. We also have some guides as well. This is our frequently asked questions page. You can filter your search by typing in a keyword. We also have email support. If you have any questions or concerns, or maybe even some suggestions, you can send us a message and we'll get back to you within 48 hours. This is the page that shows you the list of services we support. So if you see any networks on our services page that you're not familiar with, and you'd like to read up on some of them, go to this page and we have a description of each service that we support. You'll notice at the top right corner of just about any page that you're on that there's an orange support button. So for example, if you're stuck on the posting page and you need some pointers to get you through, just click on the orange support button and this will give you a quick start guide on the page. Well, that's the end of our OnlyWire platform demo. Thank you for joining us. If you're interested in the Enterprise platform, please contact us at sales@onlywire.com. Thank you and have a great day.